Hello everybody, Andrea here with Clean Eating Without Sacrifice. Let me show you our amazing teapot. You will probably want it as soon as you see it. Everybody wants it because it just looks so sleek. It looks so nice. And I had a customer order it, so I wanted to show you guys what it looks like, nice and new and shiny from the box. So our insulated teapot. So your tea and coffee, you can make your coffee in here, everybody. Stays hot for hours. So that's why people love it. And because it just looks so nice. So this isn't mine, this is a customer's. So I'm going to take it out of the box to show you guys, but I won't take it out of the wrapping because it's not mine. So I would like to keep it as new as possible for her. Check this out, you guys. How nice does that look? You have probably never seen anything like this, right? It's so nice for your tea and coffee. It stays hot for hours. I was just kind of looking at what this is here, just some extra stuff. But it stays hot for hours. And Valentine's Day is coming up, so it is a great gift also. And the nice thing is that my customer had hosted a party, and her customer spent over $250, so she was able to get this for half off. So it's normally $69, $65, and she was able to get it for half off because of all of the orders from her customers. So if you host a party, the more sales you have from your customers, you get free stuff and half off items. She had about $100 and something worth of free stuff because she was able to get something extra too, because people also were booking parties for themselves through her. So she did pretty well. So if you guys have any questions about the teapot or how to host a party, let me know. But this is amazing. You won't be sorry. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys that. If you guys need anything, please just let me know.